everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full body fat burning workout. We are marching in sport right now, getting into our workout already. We are warming up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles, and the general body for the workout. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Make sure you are hydrated. Feel free to take a break anytime throughout this routine and drink some water. I do have my water bottle over there. So just continue marching in sport. March, 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 march. You don't need any equipment for this workout. Just you, yourself, and you. No mat, no dumbbells, just you, yourself. So march, march, and we shall be moving on to high knee lifts. Pull that tummy towards the spine. Keep breathing, feeling good about yourself. 30 seconds of high knee lifts, still on that warm up. Keep breathing, make sure you don't tie your breath, and we are going to be moving on to side chest flies. Working out, warming up those arms. Heading on to double jacks in 3, 2, 1. Also our cardio for the workout. This is going to be quite an intense routine, so make sure you are fueled with energy. Moving on to jump ropes. Always good to fuel up your body with some honey or a banana or yogurt before starting the workout, or any other pre-workout snack that you love. Keep moving, keep going. Just about some 5 seconds. So we shall be ending in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to the march. March, 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 catching your breath. Feeling good about yourself. I bet you have started sweating already. March, 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 yeah. And we are going to repeat this set just one more time, beginning with those high knees. High knee lift, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap. Yeah. Pull your abs towards the spine so that we keep them engaged throughout the whole workout. Make sure you keep breathing normally. Moving on to the side chest fly. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Yeah. Side to side and back. Side to side and back. So getting on to those double jacks. Jump rope. Keep going. You're doing a wonderful job, and that fat is actually already crying by now. Move it, move it, move, 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 and match, 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 match to catch your breath. Preparing for the next set, and we are gonna be beginning with a squat and a side kick. So match, match, and in 3, 2, 1. So squat and kick, squat and kick. Seconds of this. Squat and kick, squat and kick, squat and kick, squat and kick. One more, squat and kick, and match, 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 and squat and balance, squat and balance, squat and balance, squat and balance. Squat, balance, balance, squat, alternating leg per leg. One more time. Moving on to side lunge and knee raise, lunge, back and raise, lunge, back and raise. Do 2 more. Lunge, back and raise, and lunge and back and raise. And the other leg, lunge, back, lift, lunge, back and lift, lunge and back and lift, lunge and back and lift, lunge, back, lift, lunge, back and lift. Keep going. Lunge and back and lift. Let's do 2 more. Lunge and back and lift. Just 1 more. Lunge and back and lift, and match, 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 match to catch your breath. Feeling good about yourself. And we are going to repeat this routine just 1 more time, beginning with the squats and the side kicks. Squat and kick, squat and kick, squat and kick. Time towards the spine. Keep breathing, making sure that your knees don't go past your toes. And kick, squat and kick, squat and kick, squat and kick. Keep going, keep moving. Let's do 1 more per leg, and the other side. And moving on to squat with the balance, squat with the balance, squat, balance and balance. Keep breathing, coming towards the spine. Keep going. You're doing awesomely well. Squat and balance. Yeah. Let's do 1 more. Moving on to the side lunge, back and lift. Lunge, back and lift. Lunge, back, lift. Keep going. Lift, back and lift. Lunge, back and lift. Lunge, back and lift. So lunge, back and lift. Give me 1 more. Lunge and back and lift. Moving on to the other leg. Lunge, back and lift. Lunge, back and lift. Lunge, back, lift. Lift, lunge, back, lift. Going, keep going. Lunge, back and lift. Give me 2 more. Lunge and back and lift, and 1 more. Lunge and back and lift, and match, match, match it out. You may want to grab some water while you're matching. Very important. that you keep hydrated. Just small sips, not too much. Preparing for the next set of our workout. We are going to begin with crisscross arms and a side step. So alternating up and down while kicking that leg to the side, up and down, up and down. Tummy towards the spine, very important so that we get those abs engaged. People, very good workout over here to turn those arms, to work out the shoulder muscles and to get that fat burned. Moving on to the forward lunge. 3, 2, 1. So you want to get into position and you go lunge and back, lunge and back, lunge and back. 30 seconds of this, guys, and back. Tummy towards the spine, lunge and back, lunge and back, lunge and back. Keep breathing and back, lunge it and back, lunge and back. We are going to be moving on to the rockstar jump, lunge and back in 3, 2 and 1, and get into position. And we shall begin with 1, focusing on 10 of these, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Give me one more, and match, 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 match. Catch your breath. You're doing a great job. I know you are sweating. I know your whole body is on fire. Mine is on too. So while you catch that breath, prepare to repeat this set just one more time, and we shall be beginning with the crisscross arms and a side step. So yeah, hope this is fun for you guys to do as well. Keep going. Keep breathing, feeling good about yourself. Don't forget, it's gonna be followed up by the forward lunge. Move in 3, 2, 1. So get in place, straight away lunge and back, lunge and back, lunge. Lunge it and back. Give me one more per side, and getting into the rockstar jump. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, jump it. 6. Give me one more. And match it, guys. Match it. Match to catch your breath. And we are coming to the end of our workout, people. So we are going to head on to stretching. But before that, I want us to do some jumping jacks. Quick jumping jacks. And this is going to be very good to close our workout. I mean, some really good cardio. So we are going to be beginning in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I always love to do jumping jacks as a kid. That is no doubt. I still love doing them in most of my routines. Keep going, burning down all those calories that we don't want, guys. Give me 3 more. 1, 2, and 3, and match, 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 guys. Well done. Match, 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 match. Cooling down, catching your breath. Feel free to drink some water if you need to. So we are going to head into our final set of this workout, and that is gonna be stretching. You know, stretching is a very important part of every good workout. Beginning with the forward bend. Just bring your legs apart, and we are going to be bending by the hips. So just bend over and touch the ground. Pull your abs towards the spine, and we are going to hold this right there for about 15 seconds. Keep breathing, feeling your heart rate coming down. We keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, slowly moving into that stretch and balancing upwards. So raise your feet off the ground while raising your hands as well. Then stretch out your hands towards the sky, pulling your abs towards the spine, and we are going to hold this. It can happen that you're trying to lose balance, but this is a very good stretching routine for balance as well. Keep stretching, keep holding. We are going to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heading into the hamstring stretch, stretching out those hamstrings, beginning with the right leg forward, left leg back. Pull those abs towards the spine, keep breathing, and we are stretching it out. It really feels good stretching out after every workout, right? Yeah, so keep stretching for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Feeling that good stretch in your hamstrings right through your back and your entire legs. Keep stretching, keep breathing, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Always important, I have to keep reminding you because I know it's easy to forget. Keep holding right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to come up and stretch out your back. Pull those abs towards the spine. Hold it right there. Keep breathing, feeling that good stretch in your entire back area, in your arms, stretching it out. Keep holding. I hope you are feeling great, guys. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stretching out our chests. Tummy towards the spine. If you want, you can bend over to add a stretch in those biceps as well. Otherwise, keep stretching, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to breathe in and without, breathe in and without, breathe in and without. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. A high five if you made it this far. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up or even a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do post lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.